Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Alcatel 1SE Lite. So first one will be to help you find your phone when you lost it in a room and you can't identify where it is. And this happens basically to everyone. Now we can try asking Google where are you, or to play any song, and that way it will be easy to find it as your phone will make a sound. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in Google's cloud.
Next command will be to translate, and you can translate basically any language from your own language to another, and your phone will also speak out loudly this translation. So let's try it. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that means zjadłem burgera.
Okay, next one is to count calories. You can count calories in any food, and your Google Assistant will provide you with that exact number of calories in that specific food. Hey Google, how many calories in a Big Mac?
There are 257 calories in 100 grams of McDonald's Big Mac.
Next is to call any person from your contacts list. Hey Google, call my mom.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And the last command is to send messages, and you can also say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And again, replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.